Hi, my name's Leslie English and I'm one of the faculty librarians who will be delivering the workshop on EndNote Desktop, Reference Manager and Writing Solution. This very short recording will introduce you to the content of the workshop and the format of the session. During the workshop we'll introduce you to the EndNote Desktop reference management software, and by the end of the session you'll be able to understand what EndNote can do. Create your own EndNote library of references. Add and organise references into your library from perhaps OneSearch or library databases, or add manual records. Use EndNote Desktop with Microsoft Word to be able to insert citations in your chosen referencing style and also create a reference list. And finally, know where to find help in using EndNote Desktop. So the workshop will be delivered online using Microsoft Teams. If you use Teams at another institution, please join using Lancaster University, as this enables you to use the chat and the share screen functions. The format of the workshop includes presentations, demos and time for you to try things out, as well as time for question and answers. In advance we will send you some pre-workshop activities, as you'll need to have installed the software on your device before the workshop. There is further guidance and support available through the library's EndNote Desktop guide. If you have any problems with using EndNote Desktop before the workshop, you can contact the faculty librarians at the email on the screen now. Or for any technical issues, contact the ISS service desk. Please note there is a separate workshop for EndNote Online. Looking forward to meeting you soon.